the league so far. Pressure coming out of the secondary. Underneath, it's Brown. A first down into Commanders territory. A.J. Brown coming off his first 100-yard 10 after the first Hurts incompletion. It's a fake to Swift and a throw for Brown. A.J. Brown's got a first down. Busy again after the big game last week. On 3rd down and 8, Hurts on time, finds Brown, tackled immediately by Fuller.
In the middle of what I'm concerned about.
2nd down and 10, Hurts going sideline. Brown and a perfect drop in the bucket for a first down. Could not throw that any better, 28 yards. Gainwell stays in, he hasn't carried it today. It's been all pass when he's been in the backfield. He's got Brown! A.J. Brown cuts it back, looking for the end zone. Inside the 15, inside the 10, he's in! And the Eagles have their first lead. On 2nd and 4, Hurts looking to throw.